In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Facebook Messenger switch account problem. If Messenger is not letting you switch between accounts properly, don't worry. This is usually caused by an outdated app, a temporary glitch, or account information not loading correctly. We'll go through a few straightforward fixes you can try, starting with the easiest ones first. The first thing to do is update Messenger. Open the Google Play Store on Android or the App Store on iPhone, then search for Messenger. If you see an update available, install it. Running the latest version is important because account switching problems are often fixed through app updates. Once that's done, restart the app. Fully close Messenger instead of just minimizing it, then reopen it and check whether the switch account option is working again. This helps refresh the app and can solve small temporary bugs. Next, check the accounts list inside Messenger. Tap your profile picture, then scroll down and look for the switch accounts option if it appears on your device. If you can see it, try switching from there. If your other account is not listed, tap Add Account and sign in to that account again. Sometimes the app simply loses the saved login and needs you to add it back manually. If you're using Android and the issue is still there, clear the app cache. Open your phone settings, go to Apps, then Messenger, then Storage. Tap Clear Cache, and after that, reopen Messenger. Clearing the cache removes temporary files that may be interfering with normal app behavior, but it usually does not erase your main account data. If that still doesn't fix it, sign out and sign back in. Remove the affected account from Messenger if the app gives you that option, then log in again using your account credentials. This can refresh the connection between Messenger and your saved account details, especially if something became out of sync. And finally, if nothing else works, reinstall Messenger. Uninstall the app from your phone, then download the latest version again from the Google Play Store or the App Store. After reinstalling, sign back in and test the switch account feature once more. A clean reinstall can fix deeper app issues that simple restarts and cache clearing won't solve. If you follow these steps carefully, you should be able to get account switching working again in Facebook Messenger.